Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x plus y equals 200 and xy equals to 1000, and we solve this problem for the values of x and y. So first we call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2. Here from these equations we get the values of x and y. Now first we focus in equation number 1. So that equation number 1 is implies that here we move this x to the right hand side and we get the value of y is equals to 100 minus x, and we call this is our equation number 3. So further in the next step, here we need to substitute this value of y in equation number 2, so that equation number 2 is implies that here you see that this is x times of y, and we have the value of y is this one. We substitute it here and it will be written as x times of y, and y is equals to 100 minus x is equals to 1000. So here we need to simplify the terms and we need to multiply this x on both of these values. It will be written as 100x minus this is x times of x becomes x square equals to 1000. So in the next step we need to simplify the terms, and here we move these two terms to the right hand side. This is minus x square. When we move in the right hand side it will becomes plus x square. This is plus 100x. When we move in the right hand side it will becomes minus 100x, and this is our plus 1000, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications. So this is our quadratic equation, and we know that how to solve the quadratic equation in x variable. So we have three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, the second method is completing square, and the third method is by using the quadratic formula. So here we solve this problem by applying the quadratic formula. For this we first we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 100, and c is equals to 1000. So we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula, and now here we substitute the values of a, b and c in this quadratic formula. So after substituting the values it will be written as x is equals to this is minus b, the value of b is minus 100 plus minus square root of b square. So here our b is minus 100 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 1000, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and we write it as here you have x is equals to this is minus times of minus becomes plus 100 and plus minus square root of this is minus 100 square, and minus 100 square equals to 10,000, and minus 4 times of 1000 equals to 4000, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And now here in the next step we have x is equals to 100 plus minus square root of 10,000 minus 400 is equals to 6,000. 10,000 minus 4,000 equals to 6,000, and it is divided by 2. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications here, and we have our x is equals to this is 100 plus minus here we write this 6,000 as in this form 400 multiplied by 15, and it is divided by 2. So now you see here we need more simplifications here, and it will be written as x is equals to 100 plus minus. Here we need to separate this square root sign, and we get square root of 400 and square root of 15, and it is divided by 2. So now in the next step we have our x is equals to, this is our 100 plus minus, here we know that the square root of 400 equals to 20 into square root of 15, and it is divided by 2. And now here in the next step we need to break this fraction, and it will be written as 100 divided by 2 plus minus 20 times of square root of 15 divided by 2. So we will obtain here our x is equals to 50. These are cancelled out by each other and we get 2 5s are 10 and 50, and plus minus this is 2 10s are 20. We get here 10 times of square root of 15. So this is the value of x, and now here from these values of x we get the corresponding values of y. So first we write these two values here. So first here we write the positive value, it is 50 plus 10 times of square root of 15, and here we write the negative value, it is 50 minus 10 times of square root of 15. So in order to find the values of y, we need equation number 3 here. So that equation number 3 is implies that we copy down this equation here. It is y equals to 100 minus x. We substitute these two values of x here, and it will be written as y is equals to, this is 100 minus x. Here we put this value of x, and it will be written as 50 plus 10 times of square root of 15. And in this case we put this value of x here, and we get y equals to 100 minus 50 minus 10 times of square root of 15. So now we put above both values of x here, and now we need more simplifications, and we easily get the values of y. So here first we multiply this negative sign on both of these values, and we will obtain here 100 minus 50 minus 10 times of square root of 15. So we get our y is equals to 100 minus 50 equals to 50 minus 10 times of square root of 15. So this is the value of y, and corresponding to the value of x is this one. So now here we need to focus on this case, and in this case here we again multiply this negative sign on each of these value. It will be written as 100 minus 50 plus 10 times of square root of 15. So we get the value of y is equals to 100 minus 50 equals to 50 plus 10 times of square root of 15. So this is the second value of y, and corresponding to the value of x is this one. So finally we have the two solution sets of the given equation are, the first solution set is the value of x is 50 plus 10 times of square root of 15, and the value corresponding value of y is 50 minus 10 times of square root of 15. So this is the first solution set, and the second solution set is here. First you have 50 minus 10 times of square root of 15, and the value of y is 50 plus 10 times of square root of 15. So these are the two solution sets of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.